Hey, Jay here, EscobarJ.com. This is the Keto Diet for Beginners 2020. So, first off, what is the Keto Diet? The Keto Diet is short for the Ketogenic Diet. And what it means is instead of your body using glucose as fuel for your brain and for your body, it's actually switching over to what's called ketones. That's where the keto or ketogenic comes from, is you have ketones in your blood and your body uses ketones as fuel instead of glucose. Think about it like this. It's kind of like if you're driving a car and you go put unleaded fuel in it. Well, it's going to work, right? But what happens if you put premium fuel in your car? Well, it runs more efficiently, it runs a lot better, runs a lot cleaner, less pollution for the air. It's that same analogy with your body and ketones. Another way I like to think about it is, you know what a motivational speaker is, right? Well, being on the ketogenic diet is kind of like having millions of motivational speakers running through your entire body, going into all your cells, and just blasting you with energy. That's what it feels like. And it's a very, very amazing change when you make the change and you're committed to it in the long run. Now, one thing you need to be aware of when you start the keto diet is you can go through what's called the keto flu. And what that means is your body is starting to get adapted and get used to your body running on ketones instead of glucose when you do this for the first time. And what can happen is your minerals can be depleted because when you are on the keto diet, it actually expels water. It actually allows the cells to lose some water. And when that happens, you lose your minerals and you pee them out. So when you're on the keto diet, it's important, very important, that you replenish your minerals and you are taking high quality salt like pink Himalayan salt. Your other minerals like zinc, magnesium, and manganese, and some other minerals that you need to replenish in your body to help get you through that keto flu. The keto flu can last anywhere from a couple days to maybe a week. What it does is you just feel fatigue, you just don't feel completely right. But listen, if you push through that initial phase, that's when you come out the other side and you start feeling awesome. Your mind feels clean. You don't have any brain fog. You never get that 2 o'clock I'm so tired feeling. You never get that food coma feeling. You just feel good all the time and you feel at a very stable level. So I'm going to give you just a quick meal plan, a quick way that you can get into the keto diet. The first thing I want you to do is go on a 24-hour fast. The reason why you want to go on a fast, the first thing you do is to clear your body out from all the food you just ate, to kind of reset your gut biome, to be receptive and open to the fats that you're going to put in your body. When you deplete your body of any food and when you go on a fast, it basically cleans your gut and it allows your body to be more receptive to the next foods you eat. You become more sensitive to the next foods you eat. After you go on a 24-hour fast, what you're going to do is you're going to buy some MCT oil. MCT is medium chain triglycerides. It's a type of coconut oil, but it's very, very refined and it's very, very potent. What you're going to do is you're going to go buy some MCT oil. You can get it at Walmart, Sprouts, Trader Joe's. You can get it anywhere. And then after you go on your 24-hour fast, towards the end of your fast, you're going to do a workout. You're going to exercise. You're going to do a walk, a run, a high-intensity interval training, weightlifting, whatever exercise you're going to do, whatever. That's going to hyperdrive your results, and that's going to kickstart your body to get into ketosis. Once you do your workout, right after you do your workout, you're going to break your fast with some MCT oil. You can also use coconut oil. And you can even do them both at the same time if you want. Break your fast with MCT oil, then right after, just take some coconut oil. And then you're going to wait about 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, you're going to let that kind of absorb into your body. The thing with MCT oil is it bypasses your liver and goes straight into your bloodstream. It gives you really good energy. It also gets your body it'll get your body into a state of ketosis very, very quickly, especially after a fast. Now, once you wait 30 minutes, then you're going to eat something. You're going to have an eating window of about 6 to 8 hours, okay? And typically what I like to eat is eggs. Eggs are very high in protein. They're also high in fats. Very, very good for you. And you can start eating things like bacon. You can have burgers. You can have protein. And then obviously vegetables are going to be good for you as well. Stay away from fruit. Stay away from carbohydrates and stay away from sugar. At least when you're first starting, you want to stay away from fruit. Any fruit, really. Once your body gets into a state of ketosis, then you can maybe start having some berries. Berries are pretty good for you on the keto diet. Not a whole lot. You want to keep it about a cup a day. And then after you have a meal, you can either skip the second meal or you can have a second meal in your 6 to 8 hour window. You want to time it so you have the first meal towards the beginning of your 6 to 8 hour window and then another meal towards the end of your 6 to 8 hour window. And then anything in between, try and not eat anything or snack on anything in between those times. And what happens is you go on a fast, you eat, and then you don't eat, and then you eat again, and then you go on a fast again, right? And the idea is when you mix the ketogenic diet with fasting, you see rapid weight loss quickly in a healthy manner, especially when you mix that with exercise. You want to exercise towards the end of your fast. And I would say when you're starting out, when you're doing fasting, you'd go do a fast every other day. So, but at first, for the first week, I want you to fast every single day. So you go 24-hour fast, break your fast with MCT oil, wait 30 minutes, eat a meal with protein, high fats, vegetables, eggs, something like that, low carb, low sugar, and then make sure you're looking at your macronutrients as well. If you're buying stuff, make sure you look at the ingredients. If it says a bunch of sugar and crap in there, that's where you find what you're consuming. Okay, don't look at the labels. The labels can be deceptive. Look at the nutritional facts and look at the ingredients. That's very, very important when you're looking at your foods. If you're getting whole foods, it's fine. Like vegetables is fine. Once you break your fast and you have your first meal, wait a little bit before you have another meal. Have another meal in your 6 to 8 hour window, and then go on another about 12 to 16 hour fast. And you're going to do this for 1 week. After that week, then you can start doing an every other day fast where you fast one day for about 12 to 16 hours, and then you have a normal day of eating. You can eat 2-3 times in that day if you want. Make sure you're eating keto, high fats, low sugar, low carbohydrates, medium protein, and make sure you're sticking to that. That is what the keto diet is. If you didn't know, it's high fat, so a lot of avocados, avocado oil, olive oil, fish oil. There's a lot of really good oils out there, and a lot of really good high fatty foods. Bacon is good. Make sure you're getting uncured bacon. You can do like burgers with no bun. You can do chicken. You can do steak. You can do eggs. You can do a lot of different things. So that's just a few examples, but that's essentially what you're going to do. And you're going to continue that process for 30 days. And you're going to measure your results. You're going to take a before picture and you're going to take an after picture. And you're going to see, by doing this regimen, I guarantee you stick to that diet, you stick to that for 30 days, guarantee you will see some massive results. You'll see some big changes if you're doing high intensity interval training, especially as you're exercising. If you stick to that, okay, I promise you will see results with the keto diet. And this is going to be kind of an intro guide for beginners in 2020 to get started with the keto diet, so you can see some weight loss. You can feel awesome. The weight loss is kind of just the cherry on top. I'm telling you, your brain, you feel so much better when your brain runs on ketones. You don't feel any mental fog. You feel good, and when you exercise, man, you have endorphins flowing through your brain. You feel amazing. It literally feels like you have a bunch of motivational speakers flooding through your body into all your cells, and you feel like you have all the energy in the world. One of the things I notice the most is I get up in the mornings so much easier when I'm doing keto than when I'm not doing keto. It's so much easier to like just wake up, get out of bed, and just feel refreshed. Sleep is just it's amazing. There's so many benefits that you'll start noticing once you start doing it consistently. So that is my keto diet for Beginner's Guide 2020. If you like this video, like this content, give me a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, hit the little bell icon, share this with as many people as possible, and make sure you are always learning, always growing, and always pushing forward. It's tough times right now, and I promise you, if you start utilizing the keto diet, not only will it help you feel good, help you lose weight, but this will actually help protect you and protect your immune system and build your immune system against the craziness that's going on in the world right now. So, I love you. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.